The AI market is just beginning to evolve. While some debate whether it's a bubble or not, others are already generating income from content creation. In this video you will learn about 8 unusual ways to make money with CapCut AI video that are still relatively unknown. Let's start with the first one, client services. Using CapCut and AI, you can already earn money by offering video editing, creating short vertical clips, generating AI avatars, and translating videos into other languages. But there is a more interesting approach that allows you to earn more. You can choose a specific narrow niche and become a super pro in it. For example, instead of offering general video editing for everyone, you can focus on creating top-tier AI avatars, fine-tuning them specifically to the client's needs. In this case, you need to master this skill better than anyone else to stand out among those who do it as a side tasks to basic editing. Currently, such services are especially in demand among experts, bloggers, small businesses, online schools, and marketers. Where should you look for orders? On freelance platforms, in communities, and at events, of course. There is a vast number of freelance platforms, and they are easy to find. There is also a non-trivial way: attending thematics events such as exhibitions, forums, business breakfasts, and so on. Yes, it is more difficult and requires more effort, but in an era where everything happens online, face-to-face networking is becoming more valuable than ever before. The most important thing in the freelance business is to find a few key customers who will become your regular clients. This will allow you to feel more confident in the long run. The next way to earn is by selling AI videos to e-commerce brands. If you visit the most popular marketplaces, you will see that all top-tier products have videos in their listings. Why are brands willing to invest in this? Video increases conversion rates by 25%. Therefore, it is profitable for sellers and manufacturers to add video clips to their product pages. On marketplaces like Amazon, there are thousands of sellers. Many of them already use AI tools for text and SEO and see their effectiveness. However, video content is the next step that provides a ranking advantage and increases customer trust. Offer a seller to create a video for a reasonable price, and you will likely be one of the first to reach out with such a beneficial offer. How do you contact them? Write a prompt for ChatGPT. I want to offer AI product video services on marketplaces. Help me find sellers and manufacturers and interest them. But the most important point here is do not send template-based mass mailings. Take the time to find out the name of the manager or employee and address them personally in your letter. This significantly increases trust. The next method is creating content for yourself. For example, that is exactly what I am doing right now. I am creating content for my social media. AI allows me to produce more high-quality content in less time, which means I can test ideas, formats, and niches faster and earn from monetizing my social media through ads, affiliate programs, and my own products and services. One of the most promising and profitable directions for those who create content for themselves is affiliate marketing. You record instructions and how AI or neural networks help you work more effectively in your field, and in the video you mentioned which services you use, leaving links to them in the description. If a viewer follows the link and pays for the service, you receive a commissions for their purchase. Usually services for generating photos, videos, and voiceovers offer generous commissions for attracting new users. And what's great is that you can receive it as long as the person who used your link keeps paying for the subscription. Sometimes this goes on for years. Overall, by creating useful content for your social media, you can earn from its monetization. Another real way to make money on neural networks is to become an ambassador for an AI services or product. If you have mastered a specific tool, for example, video generation, image generation, editing, avatars, or voiceovers, it is already a value that can be sold. Today, companies, software developers, and service providers constantly need people who can show the product in action, not programmers or testers, but those who can film videos, demonstrate features, and talk about real use cases. You can create videos for such a company's YouTube channel, make Reels, Shorts, or TikTok videos, record educational content and tutorials, and help users understand the product faster. Essentially, this is a work format similar to being hired by a team but without an office or strict schedule. You are an external specialist, a content creator, and a product ambassador. That's how it's works. But here a deep understanding of the tool and the ability to explain things in simple language are vital. If you can show the benefits of an AI service through real examples, it represents huge value for a company and they are willing to pay for it. How do you become an ambassador? Choose one tool and master it more deeply than most other users. Create a few video reviews, feature breakdowns, real examples, and write to companies with a specific proposal of how exactly you can be useful to them. Another option is creating templates for CapCut. A template is a pre-planned edit, shots, animations, subtitles, music, and effects. The users simply insert their content and gets result in few minutes. CapCut has an official CapCut Creator program. Template authors get free access to CapCut Pro, the opportunity to win cash prizes up to $2,000, and of course a huge influx of follows to their social media. To register for the program, open the CapCut app and go to your profile. Usually there is a banner that says "Become a template creator." Next, you need to prove your skills. Attach a screen recording of yourself editing a video. Creating templates for CapCut is not a gold mine that will make you rich, but rather an additional income and a way to gain recognition, because partnering with a corporation as large as ByteDance is worth a lot. By the way, ByteDance owns TikTok and also develops the CapCut software and application. Separately, I want to show another real way to earn money from AI video. Video stocks. The essence is simple. You create video clips and upload them to special platforms where brands, marketers, designers, and video production companies from all over the world buy them. Why don't they generate photos and videos themselves instead of buying them on stocks sites? Because not everyone knows how to do it and not everyone has the time. Even creating a prompt for image generation can take tens of minutes, not to mention video clips. Universal scenes that can be used in advertising, presentation, and social media sell based on stock platforms. This includes cities, people, emotions, business scenes, technology, abstractions, backgrounds, and various atmospheres. It is important to learn to feel what content will be in demand. For example, if a pandemic, like the coronavirus, returned, videos about masks and hand washing would become relevant. Or for the New Year holidays, fresh festive content always needed. Family gatherings, cooking dinner, decoration a tree, gifts, and so on. It is important to understand two things. First, on most video stocks, AI content is allowed, but these conditions. You must state that the video was created using AI, do not use the faces of real people without consent, and do not copy the style of specific movies, brands, or characters. Second, this is not fast money. It takes time to figure out which topics are in demand and to build a portfolio. But on the other hand, it is a scalable business because one video can sell for months or even years. Another way to earn with AI is by creating a virtual characters and monetizing it. You can use the FanView service as your main platform. Unlike many other platforms, content fully created by neural networks is officially allowed here. Your task is to create a realistic model that looks consistent in all photos and videos and offer access to it via subscription. For success, regular posting and a consistent style for the model are important. The main tools for promoting an AI model on this platform are Instagram and Twitter, which help attract attention for free and convert the audience to a paid FanView page. And the next direction is creating products based on an artificial intelligence. If you have already mastered CapCut and AI, you can earn from consultations, mini courses, guides, templates, presets, and prompts. For example, until recently I didn't understand AI technology at all and mostly filmed live videos. I used neural networks only for text. But at some point I realized it was time to study this technology more deeply and master video generation. I mastered all the features of CapCut and began not only using them in my projects, but also teaching others, for example by filming this video. You too can first master a skill and then teach others or create tools or unique prompts. The most important thing is to find a key problem people face when working with neural networks, create a solution and then sell it. However, you don't necessarily have to create a product. You can provide individual or group consultation, create a community and monetize it via subscription or conduct offline training. In short, there are many ways to earn from your knowledge and you definitely find what suits you. Watch the next extremely useful video about AI right here on the screen. Dare to create and see you soon!